So what's up, girl? You ready or what?
I just don't know what necklace I should wear.
What's wrong with your normal jewelry?
It's just... Jason's gonna be there.
Ooh, I get it now. I understand. You want to pop. I know Jason likes his girls to pop.
Yeah, and I'm so not pop right now.
I had just a thing.
OMG, what are you doing?
Just give me a second.
Why are you doing that? How much stuff do you even have in there?
Finally! Let me clean it off for you, okay? See, isn't she just beautiful? Isn't she just darling? Oh my God, it's perfect! See, isn't she just beautiful? Isn't she just darling?